In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the ribbon in Excel. If you want a cleaner workspace in Excel or you need a little more room to view your spreadsheet, hiding the ribbon can be really helpful, and when you need those tools again, you can bring the ribbon back in just a second. The good news is that this is very quick and easy to do, and once you know the shortcut, it becomes something you can use anytime without interrupting your workflow. The fastest way to toggle between hiding and showing the ribbon is by using a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F1 at the same time. That's Ctrl plus F1. As soon as you do that, Excel will switch the ribbon's visibility. If the ribbon is currently showing, it will collapse and give you more space on the screen. If it's hidden, pressing the same shortcut again will bring it right back. This is useful because the ribbon takes up space at the top of the Excel window, where all of your tabs and commands are located. When you're focused mainly on entering data, reviewing numbers, or working with a larger spreadsheet, hiding the ribbon can make the screen feel less crowded. On the other hand, when you need access to formatting tools, formulas, layout options, or other features, showing the ribbon again gives you full access immediately. One of the best things about this shortcut is that it works as a toggle, which means you don't need to memorize separate commands for hiding and unhiding. You just use the same shortcut both times. That makes it simple, especially if you switch back and forth often while working. If you try the shortcut and nothing happens, make sure Excel is the active window and that you're pressing the F1 key along with Control. On some keyboards, especially laptops, function keys may behave a little differently, so you may need to also hold the FN key depending on your keyboard settings. This is a small Excel tip, but it can make a big difference in how comfortably you work, especially on smaller screens. Being able to quickly hide and show the ribbon helps you stay focused and use your space more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Press Ctrl plus F1 to hide the ribbon and press Ctrl plus F1 again to show it.